We'll guide you through how to change the PIN or password on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This goes and secures your phone. So perhaps somebody else knows it, which is why I want to go and change it, or there's another reason. It doesn't matter why, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So at the end, it'll go and be different. To go and get started, we'll need to go and unlock it. So you can go and press the side button, swipe up and go and enter in the current PIN like so, press OK. You can see there mine's pretty simple, which is why I want to change it really. But I'll just do it as an example in this video. So then what you want to do is you want to go and swipe up on your device and you need to go and find settings. So you can swipe across and go and find it, or alternatively, you can go and search at the top for settings. Then you want to go and open them up. Once you're in the settings app, you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for lock screen. Also, it's important to note you can go and change the PIN or password to a different type of lock. There are pattern locks and other options as well. So find lock screen. If you struggle to find it, you can always use the search in the top right. Then you can go and see lock screen, go and tap on it. Then at the top, it'll go and say screen lock type. So that's what your PIN or password is. It's the screen lock. So you can go and tap on it there like so. You need to go and enter in the current PIN or password. Then you can go and press continue. And we can then go and see the different options here. So we've got PIN, password, pattern, swipe, or none. You've also got biometrics at the bottom as well. So in this case, I still want to go and use the PIN. So I'm going to tap PIN again like so. Now it recommends at least 6 digits. You don't have to though, but I'm just going to do this as an example. We can then go and press continue. This is simple, so it does go and say it's easy to guess, but I'm going to use it anyways just for this video. Then I'll go and confirm it by typing it again and press OK and go and wait, and that's it. So now the next time I go and unlock my phone, I'll be using that. So I'll go and lock it like so. Now when I go and swipe up, it's going to go and ask me for the PIN. Let me go and enter it in, press OK, and as you can see, it's now been accepted. That is our new PIN and password. As I said though, and you saw there, you can go and use different type of methods for unlocking your phone.